Hello dear students, welcome you all to the 17th lecture of Marketing Management, and the topic which we are going to discuss today is product life cycle. Let's start. So as we know that we humans have a life cycle from a newborn to a infant to a toddler, then child, then adult, then we get old. Similarly, like that, each product have a limited life. Okay, it is not like a product which you are introducing today, it will be lifelong or it will be remain in the market for long. Okay, so so under product life cycle, a company's positioning and differentiating strategies we will learn, and it must change with the product, the market or the competitors, and it should be changed according to the life cycle of a product. We will say how the product is moving from introduction, and then how it is growing, then the maturity is coming, and how the product is entering into the decline phase. So accordingly we need to change the positioning strategies, differentiating strategies. Okay, we need to change the product, we need to change the market, so all these changes we need to do. Okay, so when we are saying that a product have a life cycle, then we need to see or we need to consider these four things. First is product have a limited life, and second one, the product sale process through the different stages, and each phase has their own challenges. There are a number of opportunities in each phases, and there will be problems to the sellers, and also the profit will raise and fall according to the different stages of the product life cycle. And products require different marketing, financial, manufacturing, purchasing, human strategies at each phase of life cycles. Okay, so each phase, the different strategies the marketers need to adopt. So let's see what are the four phases of product life cycle. So first phase is your introduction, then growth, then maturity, then decline. The product will start its journey from the introduction phase, where there will be early adopters who will use the products. Market will be slow, sales will be slow, and there will be very low competition because the product itself is new. And companies focus will more on awareness. They need to aware the customers about their product. Okay, and tuning, design focus will be tuning. So initial phase, when you are just starting your product into the market, the competition will be very limited, very few players will be there in the market. Then suddenly the product will move into the growth stage. This is the stage after introduction stage. So mainstream customers will come here, and market shares will grow here. Sales will also increase, and competition here, it will be moderate. Very few players will enter in the market, and businesses focus will change from awareness to gain the market share here. Okay, the first mover advantage each and every company want to get here, and scaling will be the design focus here. And once the product will pass through the growth status, growth phase, it will reach to the maturity stage. This phase you are seeing here. So mostly the late adopters will come here, and market share will be large for the companies. Okay, and sales will start flattening here. Okay, like in growth phase we have seen that sales was continuously increasing, but in maturity stage it will, you will see a flattening curve here. The sales will be almost at a particular point, they will almost be flat. Competition will be huge because by this time a number of competitors will enter in the market, and there will be a price war for that product. Okay, the cheapest price whoever is giving, the consumers will try to buy it. Competition will be huge, and businesses focus more on customer retention. Okay, how to retain the customers. And design focus will be support, so whoever will give the best support services, the customers will buy their product. And after the maturity phase, the product will enter into the decline phase. Here, the maturity phase, the companies can grow this to do a variation in the product or to introduce the product with some advanced features. So this maturity phase will increase little bit more. But if the company doesn't do anything, the product will go into the decline phase, and the lenders will try to buy the product. Okay, and market will be contracting, the size of the market will decrease, and sales will be moderate here, competition will be moderate. Okay, because most of the player will see that market is not very promising, so they will start leaving the market. So from very beginning to the end, we have seen now for different stages what could be the strategies we will see. So first phase will be your introduction phase. Here the sales will be low because people are not aware about your product. Cost will be high per customer because that economy of scale you will not get here. Profits will be negative. Obviously, when sales are not there, from where the profits will come. And marketing objective here is to create product awareness and trial. Product will be offer a basic product without any further additions. Prices will be strategy will be cost plus pricing, which we will discuss in your third module. What is cost plus pricing? And distribution, build selective distributors will be there, and these businesses need to do a lot of awareness program among the early adopters and dealers. Okay, so this is the characteristics, we can say, or the strategies for the introduction stage. So under introduction stage, the marketing strategies could be rapid skipping, slow skipping, rapid penetration, and slow penetration. Let me quickly give you a little bit about skimming pricing and penetration pricing. So skimming pricing, basically, when you are introducing a new product, these two are for introduction of the new product in the market. So when we are saying skimming pricing, it refers to initial high prices, and once the other or the new version of the product will come, then the price may be decreased for the product. And penetration is just opposite to that. Initially, you will sell your product as the lower price to acquire the more market share and reach to the maximum market, and then slowly you will increase your price. In skimming and penetration, there are further variations. So first one is rapid skimming, launching a product at higher prices and highly promotional level, means you will do a lot of promotions for your product. Slower skimming, the prices will be high, but the promotion level will be low. Rapid penetration, here you will give a low price to your product with a significant promotion you will do for that. And slow penetration, the prices will be low and the promotion level will also be low. So these are the strategies for the introduction phase. The same thing we will learn in your third module also, the pricing strategies at the introduction phase or to the initial phase. So there also we will discuss what is skimming pricing, what is penetration pricing. Second stage was the growth stage. So under growth, sales will increase rapidly and average cost per customer will be there. Profits will increase here as the sales are taking place. A marketing objective will to increase your market share and offer product extension services, warranty, all those things you will start giving to the customers. Prices to penetrate markets, so you will not keep a very high price here, you will try to get a maximum number of customers. And 10 sensitive distributors will be there, and build awareness and interest in the mass market. So advertisement, you need to spend a lot of amount here. Then maturity phase, the sales will be at its peak, maximum sale will be here, and low cost per customer will be here, because the companies by this time they will reach to the economy of scale. So because of economy of scale, the cost per customer will come down. High profits will be there, and market objective will be to maximize profit while defining the market share. And you will try to diversify your brand and model so that the product should not go into the decline phase. If you are able to diversify, or you are able to come with a new features in your product, your product's life will increase a little bit. Prices will be to match or best competitors. You will try to fix your price as the competitor's price. And intensive distributions you will do here so that your product can reach to each and every person. And stress brand difference and benefits will be there under your advertisements. You will try to tell the customers how your brand is different than others and what the benefits you will get from this brand. So maturity stage strategies are here. So here two strategies, basically market modification or product modification is there. So this often means that your market will be saturated and you need to find, you need to change the marketing tactics. So how you can change? First one is market modification. So here you will try to enter into the new market segment which you was not covering earlier, and you will redefine your target markets, and how you can win to the competitors. Converting non-users, you will try to convert the non-users into users. Or you can use product modification, in which you can do a little bit adjustment or the improved version of your product in terms of features, quality, pricing, introduce in the market, and will try to uh, extend, or you can say that you can try to give a long life to your product. Then finally we reach to the last stage, that is the decline stage. So sales will be declining here, cost will be high, low cost per customer. Profits will decline here, marketing objective to reduce expenditure and milk the brand. Milk the brand means that BCG metrics you might have learned in somewhere. So BCG metrics, so cash cows, you might know that they are the what we will say the most important thing in your BCG metrics. So if your brand comes under that cash cow category, you will try to extract the maximum benefit of your brand here. And the product phase out weak items, and price will be cut here. Distribution will be very selective. Okay, you will try to close your unprofitable outlets. And here you will reduce to the level of your advertising to the hardcore loyal customer only. So this is all about your product life cycle, important topic for examination point of view also. Well, long answer type questions may appear from here. So just do a quick revision. So 4 phases are there: introduction, growth, maturity, decline. And in introduction phase, audience will be early adopters, market share will be less, sales will be low, competition will be low, prices will be high, advertisement, you need to do a lot of advertisement. Okay, then growth phase, that the mainstream customers will buy the product, market will grow here, sales will increase, cost will be high again, competition will be moderate, and market share will be your target. Then maturity stage we will reach, and late adopters will come here, market size will increase, prices will come down because of the economy of scale, sales will start flattening here. Okay, and customer retention will be the business focus. And here you can work on either your product modification or market penetration to increase the life of your product. And finally it is decline phase, so the market will start contracting here. Okay, the profit margins will come down, and this competition will be moderate, and business focus is to transition. So I hope this product life cycle is clear. If you have any confusion, you can call me or you can ping me on WhatsApp. I will solve your doubts there. Thank you so much for watching the video.